Meet Alex. Alex just got their first job and is wondering, what's the best way to grow money over time? Should they just save it in the bank or explore investing? Let's find out. Saving is safe, but it's slow. Investing, on the other hand, might seem intimidating, but it's a powerful way to make your money work for you. First, decide why you want to invest. Is it for retirement, a new car, or maybe building long-term wealth? Having clear goals will help shape your investment strategy. Before investing, make sure you have a financial safety net. An emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses is essential. Let's break down some common investment types: stocks, buying a piece of a company; bonds, lending money to a company or government; index funds and ETFs, baskets of investments that spread your risk. For beginners, low-cost index funds are often a great choice because they are diversified and lower risk. Next, choose where you'll invest. Robo-advisors like Betterment are great for hands-off investing, while apps like Fidelity or Robinhood let you pick your own stocks. You don't need a fortune to start, or begin with what you can afford and invest consistently. This approach is called dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. Spread your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't try to time the market or make emotional decisions. Focus on the long term and stick to your plan. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay invested and keep learning about new opportunities and strategies. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. So take that first step toward building your financial future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips on building your financial freedom. See you next time.